Today going to talk about some LED replacement bulbs for your headlights. If you have a lower trim level truck, you probably get bulbs like these that are from the 90s. They're not very bright. If you want to brighten up the road and ditches, you can go with something like this. These are made by Go Performance and they plug right into your stock headlight assembly. They're about 200 bucks a box, so they're a little bit pricey. On the Chevs, your daytimes and low beams are on top and your high beams are on the bottom. So you need 4 if you want to do all 4. I did put all 4 in, but I ended up taking 2 out just because they're too bright. I was getting flash constantly and I didn't really want to be that guy. It's basically the same concept as having a light bar on. So I took those 2 out and now I just run the LED high beams so I have them when I need them when nobody's coming. So you can see one set in there already. And since I put them in, I'll just go over it real quick because it's real easy. It's just some Allen key screws. So if you take them out to about here, peel your liner back, and then your headlights are right there. And there's just 2 rubber plugs, just pull those off. And then twist your stock bulbs out, unplug them, plug the new ones in, twist the new ones in, and then put your liner back, you're good to go. So with both sets of headlights on, it's pretty easy to tell the difference between your stock bulbs and the LEDs. So that is pretty much it, and here's a shot of it outside. Stock headlights, low beam,